Hello! Did you know Korea has many kinds of dough? Since long ago, this food has accompanied us on many special occasions. I can say that it's staple of Korea's community culture. Even last year, it was designated as a Korean cultural asset. So I've prepared this dough, which is called white snow rice cake. It's good to know that this food represents cleanliness, purity, and innocence. Thus, we usually make this dish when we celebrate baby anniversaries, such as 100 days after their birth or their first birthday. The wish is the baby good health and good luck. Now, let's make this chewy and sweet rice cake with strawberry jam. Here we go. In Korea, generally we use moistened rice flour when we make this rice cake. But I think this ingredient is hard to come by in other countries, so I'm going to share with you how can you make white snow rice cake with generic rice flour. First, let's put the rice flour and glutinous rice flour into the bowl at a 9:1 ratio. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water, a little bit of salt, and stir them with your hands so that they do not stick to each other. It's important to stir well so it doesn't become lumpy. Pour 130 milliliters of water once again and mix. Next, I'm going to filter them using a strainer. Cover it well and let it sit in the fridge to moisturize for around 2 hours. Now we can pull our rice flour out of the fridge and mix it one more time while adding a little bit more water. This is the finished dough if it sticks like this when you try to lump it together. Strain it one more time and add 70 grams of white sugar roughly and fast. Cover the bottom with baking paper, fill our dough partially, add strawberry jam, left dough, restfully cover it with baking paper. Let's steam it for 25 minutes. And after turning off your stove, just let it sit for about 5 minutes. There you go. It's the strawberry white snow rice cake that's chewy and sweet. Please try this recipe. You will love it. I will be back with another nice recipe next week. See you!